what is up, people? Welcome back to another video. And today we're going to do a try not to laugh challenge. So, yeah, let's get right into it. I don't belong here. Oh, when I walk into the wrong classroom. Oh, wow. I don't know how it's supposed to be funny. Oh!
How do we get out there? We go over this way?
Pikachu! Dead. Yeet! Why would I go head first?
Okay, Pete.
Ow!
1, 2, 3, go.
1, 2, 3, go. Straight trick shot.
It's October 2016. Why are you videotaping?
What do you think this means, you weirdo?
You know what? We're gonna make this a weird challenge, okay? You can laugh all you want, but you can't wheeze. Okay, so that's the challenge. Ow. That hurt. I've seen this one on 8 Home Funnies videos. No! So, yes, I have, man. Crap. What's... Oh! Say that you're fine, and you're not really fine, but you have... RKO! Ow. Nope.
I'm gonna sweep low. Ow! Fudgy, that hurt.
Watch your profanity.
You say this tape is really amazing? Oh, ho, 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 I've got to see it.
Wait!
Do it again.
Yeet!
You know you make me wanna shout. Kick my heels up and down.
Oh! Oh, you see his leg!
Jesus Christ, that's Jason Bourne.
Jesus Christ, Jason Bourne. Scaredy cat.
Hello. How are you people?
Oh no.
You called me out upon the wall.
I want it. Really? Dang it.
Gorilla, donkey.
How was that so frustrating?
A little harder, Noah.
That's me when I'm nervous in front of little kids. Oh no! I wheezed. By that wheeze though, it was like that's how I did it. Oh wow. Wow. Well, I'm gonna do my outro song in a second, so I have to find it. Hold on.